This 2023 Coachmen Catalina Summit 261 BHS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Texarkana, Texas, 75503 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports. This new Coachmen is 30 feet 5 inches in length and features one slide-out, a Java interior, sleeps 10, LP detector, TV antenna, spare tire kit, slide-out, Colorado detector, air conditioning, microwave, water heater, self-contained, smoke detector, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Coachmen Catalina Summit 261 BHS is 5,482 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV and Powersports, visit RVUSA.com.